In this newsletter, we're going to talk about 4 items: the iRoot lesson library, the Bluebot simulator, coaching cycle, and Chrome Canvas. To begin, we're going to head over to LCPS Go. While in LCPS Go, you're going to want to find the computer science folder, and then you're going to head over to iRobot coding. While you are in here, you will see there's a few different things that you can do. There are all sorts of lessons that are ready for your students to try. This actual robot, we have them stored in the creativity closet on the 3rd floor, right across from the teacher bathroom. If you would like to access them, head over to check them out, grab them, and you can use them in your classroom. So to begin, to do the simulator, we're going to click on this plus sign, and it's going to ask us to start a new project. The first time you do it, it will give you all sorts of tips on the screen. This is going to be your stage. This is where you will see where what your coding will look like. At the bottom, you have some coding. You have 3 levels. The difference is how much coding you want to get into. This is generally for somebody, level 1, who is just starting to look at coding. Level 2 is someone who understands what the coding is and is able to adjust some of the numbers and angles. And level 3, this is going to be your Python. This is your coding language. Number 3 will not have the puzzle pieces like 1 and 2 have, but will have the actual language if you have students that understand coding. I'm going to stick with 1. And when I do that, I want my robot to move forward. I'm going to bring a piece up here. Once I do that, I'm going to click forward, and you'll see on the right that it moves. I'm going to click it one more time. Everything that is happening on the screen is the same thing that can happen with the actual robot. If you have the actual robot, each one has a sticker on the side. So you will click on this X. It will look for a robot, and when the program can sense that a robot is near, it will appear. You will click pair, and then everything that's happening here will happen with the physical robot. The next simulator we're going to look at is the Bluebot or the Bbot emulator. You have all sorts of mats over on the left side. You can choose from a whole host of different mats. Then what you can do is decide where is, so here is your robot. I want my robot to go to the bus, so I'll find the picture of the bus. And what I'm going to do is count how many spaces he has to move. 1, 2, 3. I will click forward. You will see that it appears here. I click go, and now it will move there. To clear the code, I click X, it's gone. I bring it back to the beginning. Now, if I want it to go to the pig, I'm going to have to do 3 moves: forward, turn, and then move forward. So I will move forward, then it will turn, then it will move forward, then I will click go, and it will end up right there. In the closet across from the bathroom on the 3rd floor, on the bottom shelf, is a whole bunch of mats that are already printed out. In the creativity closet, just in the hallway, we have these blue bots that are already in a carrying case that easily can be charged. Again, you can do this here either on the student's Chromebook as a whole group, or you can actually go grab it. The final piece that is on our newsletter is the Chrome Canvas. I included the coaching cycle. This is what we would go through when we get to work together as a team. Chrome Canvas, your students have this on their Chromebooks. So if they were to, once they open up their Chromebooks, they will slide up from the bottom. They will click on that icon, the icon that looks just like this. It looks like an artist palette. Then when you get into Chrome Canvas, now you have a whiteboard. I can go to new drawing, and I can select what I want to do. I can change my colors. I can choose a type of point that I want to do, and the students can create. The nice thing, as you saw when you opened it up, is it will save all of your work. Thanks for tuning in to the Cosmic Chronicle.